Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an easy rasam recipe, especially which suits the season now. So let's begin with the recipe. For that, in a mixer jar, I have taken tamarind, which is of amla size. Now here I'm going to add tomato, 1. You can also just half reduce the tamarind and add 2 tomatoes if needed. Now after adding the tomatoes, I'm going to add garlic with the skin of 10 pods. You can add up to 15 pods of garlic. Cumin 1 spoon. Peppercorns 1 spoon. These pepper and cumin gives the spicy flavor to the rasam. Here I am going to add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Curry leaves is very good for health, so it's an extra ingredient that I am going to add. And 1 strand of coriander leaves. 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder for the color of the rasam. And now finally here I am going to add the salt that is required for the rasam. Here we go. We have added the entire ingredients that is mainly required for the rasam. Now I'm just going to close the grinder and I'm going to grind it all the ingredients that we have added into a smooth and a soft paste. First, if you grind it raw, you can see there are some coarse particles present in it. You can add some water, that is from half to 1 glass of water. Make sure that the water doesn't splash while grinding. And now we have to grind the rasam paste into a smooth texture. If you see now, our rasam paste is ready to cook. So now here let us keep this paste aside and we can start with our seasoning for the rasam that we have to prepare. For that, in a pan, I'm going to add only 1 spoon of oil. Let the oil get hot. Half spoon of mustard for the tempering. Let the mustard splutter well. Cumin 1/4 spoon. Gum asafoetida 1 small piece, or else you can also use asafoetida powder. 1 red chili for the spicy flavor. Sort all these ingredients well. Let the flavor of the ingredients emerge well. Finally, I'm going to add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Saute it well. After sauteing all these seasoning, we are just going to add the grinded rasam paste that we have grinded and kept. To adjust the rasam consistency, here I am going to add some water to the paste that we have added to the pan. That is exactly 2 glasses of water, so that the rasam gets the correct consistency, which is the pouring consistency. So when to switch off the rasam? That is the biggest question all the homemakers, especially the beginners, have. When the rasam starts to boil, if you see, you can see the sides have started to boil. You have to just add the coriander leaves and switch off the flame. So now here our instant rasam is ready. It is very easy to prepare. Please do try this at home. It is very good for cold and cough as well. It is good for digestion. So please do try these recipes and write all your feedbacks in the comment section. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Stay connected, keep watching. Meet you soon.